7-Day Keto Meal Prep for Beginners. What if you could open your fridge this week and already know exactly what to eat? No panic meals, no last-minute takeout, no standing in front of the pantry thinking, I'm trying to do keto, but I have no idea what to make. Today, I'm going to show you a simple 7-day keto meal prep for beginners, built for real life, busy schedules, weight loss, and people who do not want to spend all day cooking. We're talking easy breakfasts, simple lunches, satisfying dinners, emergency meals, and a shopping list mindset that helps you stay consistent all week. Because keto becomes easier when your next meal is already waiting for you. Here's why so many people quit keto too early. It's not because they're lazy. It's not because they don't want to lose weight. And it's not because keto is impossible. Most of the time, they just don't have a plan. Monday starts strong. Eggs for breakfast. Maybe a salad for lunch. Dinner goes okay. But by Wednesday, life gets loud. Work runs late. The kids need something. You're tired. You forgot to thaw the meat. And suddenly, the easiest option is pizza, sandwiches, chips, or whatever is fast. That is not a willpower problem. That is a preparation problem. So today, we're going to fix that with a simple 7-day keto meal prep system. Not perfect, just prepared. Before we get into the meals, comment below, meal prep, if you want more beginner-friendly keto plans like this. And tell me your biggest struggle. Is it breakfast, lunch at work, dinner after a long day, snack cravings, or not knowing what to buy at the grocery store? Your answer helps me create more videos that actually fit your life. Now let's build your week. Welcome to the channel, where we make keto simple, realistic, and built for real-life weight loss. The goal of this 7-day keto meal prep. This meal prep is designed around 5 beginner rules. Keep carbs low. Get enough protein. Use healthy fats for satisfaction. Add low-carb vegetables for volume. Make meals easy to repeat. That's it. You do not need 10 complicated recipes. You need a few reliable foods that can become multiple meals. That is the secret. Meal prep does not mean eating the exact same dried chicken every day. It means creating building blocks, protein, vegetables, fat, sauces, emergency options. Once those are ready, your week becomes easier. Step 1. Choose your 3 main proteins for this 7-day keto meal prep. Choose 3 main proteins. Here are beginner-friendly options. Eggs, chicken thighs or chicken breast, ground beef, steak, salmon, turkey burgers, bacon with no added sugar. For this plan, let's use eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunches, ground beef and salmon for dinners. This gives you variety without making the grocery list overwhelming. Protein matters because it helps you feel full, supports muscle, and makes your meals feel complete. And if you're over 30, 40, or 50, protein becomes even more important because your body needs support to maintain muscle while losing fat. You are not just trying to get smaller. You are trying to get stronger, healthier, and more confident. Step 2. Prep breakfasts that don't slow you down. Let's start with breakfast. Beginner keto breakfast needs to be easy. Because if breakfast is complicated, most people either skip it in stress or grab something high carb. Here are 3 breakfast options for the week. Breakfast option 1. Egg and avocado box meal prep containers with 2 boiled eggs, half an avocado, spinach, cucumber slices, a small cup of sea salt and pepper. Optional, cheese or olives. This is simple, portable, and low carb. Breakfast option 2. Scrambled eggs with spinach. Cook eggs with butter, spinach, salt, and pepper. Store them in containers for quick reheating. Add avocado after reheating so it stays fresh. Breakfast option 3. Keto smoothie blend. Unsweetened almond milk. Half an avocado. A handful of spinach. Chia seeds. Ice. A small amount of unsweetened protein powder if it fits your plan. This is for the person who says, I don't want to cook in the morning. The emotional win here is simple. You start the day feeling in control. Not rushed. Not guilty. Not already behind. That feeling can change your entire day. Step 3. Make one big keto lunch base. Now let's build lunch. Lunch is where many beginners lose the day. They forget to pack food, then end up buying something that looks healthy but is full of hidden carbs. So we're going to prep one big lunch base. Big keto chicken salad base. You'll need cooked chicken, romaine or mixed greens, cucumber, avocado, feta cheese, walnuts or pumpkin seeds, olive oil dressing, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Prep the chicken ahead of time. You can grill it, bake it, or buy a plain rotisserie chicken if you're busy. Then each day, build a salad with greens, chicken, fat, crunch, and dressing. Here is the formula. Greens for volume, chicken for protein, avocado for healthy fat, feta for flavor, walnuts or seeds for crunch, olive oil dressing for satisfaction. This is not a tiny diet salad. This is a full meal. A good keto lunch should help you say, I'm good. I don't need snacks right now. That is the power of a meal that actually satisfies you. Step 4. Prep 2 easy keto dinners for dinner. Let's prep 2 main options so you don't get bored. Dinner 1. Bunless cheeseburger bowls. Cook ground beef with salt, pepper, garlic, and a little paprika. Add shredded cheese while it's warm. Serve it over lettuce with pickles, tomato, avocado, mustard, a little mayo if desired. This gives you the feeling of a cheeseburger without the bun. It feels familiar. And familiar meals matter because if keto feels too strange, people quit. You don't have to give up foods you love. You just need to rebuild them in a low-carb way. Dinner 2. Lemon garlic salmon with roasted vegetables. Place salmon on a baking sheet with broccoli, Brussels sprouts, or zucchini. Add olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper, and herbs. Bake until the salmon is tender and the vegetables are roasted. This dinner feels fresh, colorful, and nourishing. It is the kind of meal that makes you feel like you are taking care of yourself, not punishing yourself. That difference matters. Step 5. Add one emergency meal. Now let's talk about the meal most people forget. The emergency meal. This is the meal that saves you on Thursday night when you're tired and don't want to cook. Choose one of these and keep it ready. Rotisserie chicken with bag salad. Tuna salad lettuce wraps. Eggs with avocado and spinach. Burger patties with pickles and cheese. Turkey roll-ups with cucumber and cream cheese. Canned salmon with mayo and celery. This is not about being perfect. This is about protecting yourself from predictable moments. Because you know busy days are coming. You know stress is coming. You know cravings are coming. So instead of hoping you'll have willpower, build a backup plan. Prepared people do not need to be perfect. They just need something ready. Step 6. Prep keto sauces and flavor boosters. Here's a fresh idea most beginners overlook. Sauces can make or break your keto week. If your meals taste boring, you will start craving something else. So prep 2 or 3 simple keto flavor boosters. Option 1. Lemon olive oil dressing. Olive oil, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper. Use it on salads, chicken, salmon, or vegetables. Option 2. Garlic mayo sauce. Mayo, garlic powder, lemon juice, black pepper. Great with burger bowls, tuna wraps, or chicken. Option 3. Spicy avocado sauce. Avocado, lime juice, salt, a little water. Optional. Jalapeno or hot sauce. Blend until creamy. This keeps keto exciting. Flavor is not a small thing. Flavor is what makes consistency easier. Step 7. Build your 7-day meal map. Now let's turn this into a simple week. You can arrange it like this. Day 1. Breakfast. Egg and avocado box. Lunch. Chicken avocado salad. Dinner. Bunless cheeseburger bowl. Day 2. Breakfast. Keto smoothie. Lunch. Chicken feta salad. Dinner. Lemon garlic salmon with broccoli. Day 3. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach. Lunch. Chicken salad with walnuts. Dinner. Bunless cheeseburger bowl. Day 4. Breakfast. Egg and avocado box. Lunch. Chicken salad with avocado. Dinner. Emergency keto meal. Day 5. Breakfast. Keto smoothie. Lunch. Chicken feta salad. Dinner. Salmon with roasted vegetables. Day 6. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach. Lunch. Burger bowl leftovers over lettuce. Dinner. Steak or chicken with vegetables. Day 7. Breakfast. Eggs with avocado. Lunch. Big keto salad. Dinner. Clean out the fridge. Keto bowl. Day 7 is important because food waste is real. And if you're busy, you need a plan that uses what you already have. A clean out the fridge keto bowl could be leftover protein, greens, avocado, cheese, olive oil dressing, seeds or nuts, pickles or olives. Simple, flexible, no stress. Step 8. The beginner shopping list. Here's your simple shopping list for the week. Eggs, avocados, spinach, romaine or mixed greens, cucumber, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, zucchini, ground beef, chicken, salmon, tuna, feta cheese, shredded cheese, walnuts or pumpkin seeds, olive oil, mayo, mustard, lemon, garlic, sea salt, pepper, pickles, unsweetened almond milk, chia seeds. You don't need a grocery cart full of specialty keto products. You need real food. Real food is easier to understand. Real food is easier to repeat. And repeatable meals create repeatable results. Step 9. How to store everything. Here's how to keep the week simple. Store cooked proteins separately. Keep greens dry until you're ready to eat. Keep sauces in small containers. Slice cucumbers ahead of time. Do not cut all your avocados at once. Use glass containers if you have them, but don't let perfect containers stop you from starting. Meal prep should reduce stress, not create another reason to feel behind. Even prepping 3 days at a time is a win. Start where you are. Step 10. The 10-minute night reset. Here's a new activity to make this plan easier. Do a 10-minute night reset. Every night, take 10 minutes to set up tomorrow. Put your breakfast in front of the fridge. Pack your lunch. Refill your water. Move frozen meat to the fridge if needed. Put your electrolytes or sea salt where you can see them. Decide your dinner before you go to bed. This is simple, but powerful, because your future self wakes up with less pressure. And when you wake up prepared, you make better choices. You are not just prepping food, you are reducing decision fatigue. That is a huge part of weight loss. What happens without a plan? Now imagine going into the week with no plan. Monday, you feel motivated. Tuesday, you start improvising. Wednesday, the cravings hit. Thursday, you're tired. Friday, someone brings donuts to work. Saturday, you say, I already messed up, I'll restart Monday. And the cycle repeats. That cycle can make people feel like they failed. But maybe you did not fail. Maybe your system failed. Now imagine the opposite. You open the fridge and see meals ready. You know what breakfast is. You know what lunch is. You know dinner has a backup. You have sauces that make food taste good. You have an emergency meal waiting. Suddenly, keto feels calmer, less dramatic, more doable. And that is what creates confidence. Not motivation. Confidence. So here is your action step. Do not try to prep everything perfectly. Choose one thing from this video and do it today. Boil the eggs. Cook the chicken. Make the dressing. Prep the salad greens. Buy the emergency meal ingredients. Plan your first 3 days. Comment below. I'm prepping keto. And tell me which part you're going to prep first. If you want more beginner keto meal plans, simple recipes, grocery lists, and realistic weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel and hit like so this video reaches someone who needs a simple place to begin. Remember, keto gets easier when your food is ready before your cravings are. You do not need perfection. You need a plan. A few proteins, a few vegetables, a few healthy fats, a few sauces, one emergency meal. That is enough to start. Prep what you can. Repeat what works. And give yourself the gift of a week that feels easier. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video on your screen if you want a full day of keto meals you can eat today. I'll see you in the next one.